Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24. My name is Christian and welcome to our daily market opening trade here with the DAX. Today, it's Thursday, the 31st of May, and we're having a bank holiday in some parts of Germany, some regions. So the volume might be less below average. But nonetheless, we are going to prepare ourselves for the first trade in the market every morning here at the Traders Club, and that's of course the DAX, the German stock index. So right now we are looking here on my MetaTrader account on the 1 minute time frame. We opened with a very small gap this morning, and we've recovered very well within the first 53 minutes. So in order to place our trade, I'm going to click on the right hand side box lines. And as always, you see the green one and the red one, which are both pending orders. And I'm going to place the green one on top of the first the first box, which is the high of the first hour of trading. Right. So this grayish brownish box just represents the first 54 minutes of trading, and yeah, when we place these lines, we either place our little box on top of that range or on the bottom of that range. So, and yeah, second step, we are clicking on entry. So we see a change of color very slightly, and both pending orders are now activated. So we'll just wait for another 5. No, we don't wait. We are already long in the first trade. Our buy pending order has been triggered, which you can see here on the right hand side. It says first trade, and right now we are in slightly negative numbers. The blue line represents our take profit. So 2 minutes ago, market's a bit more active than usual, and we've still covered half the range to our take profit, which is, as always, 0.10%. So we just need 2.5, 3 more points to get out of the trade before the stock market in Frankfurt has even opened. Just one more point. And there we go. We are out of the trade before the market has even opened, and if I've counted correctly, that's trade number 403 here with the market opening. So 403 consecutive winning trades with the market opening trade. So good stuff. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great Thursday and see you tomorrow morning. Bye bye.